Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel apps, select the shape button, adjust the shape, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color, then select the 3D shape, enable button down, X rotation, Y rotation, then select the import button, go to the gallery, select another shape, adjust the shape, crop the shape, select the crop option, change the background, select the color option, adjust the color, select the 3D shape, enable button down, save the shape, select the save button, adjust the save confirmation, copy the shape, select the copy option, select the 3D shape, select the Y rotation, change the background, select the color option, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.